This problem says there were 143 t-shirts in the factory. MRHE placed an order for 65 t-shirts. How many t-shirts were left in the factory? So since this is a problem where we are supposed to be shipping out the 65 t-shirts, we know it's going to be a subtraction problem. This is the T-chart strategy where your numbers are put into columns of boxes of 100, rolls of 10, and loose ones. So right here I have my 143 as in one box, 4 rolls, and 3 loose t-shirts. I have to ship out 65, 6 rolls, and 5 loose. Looking at these numbers, I can tell I can't take 5 away from 3. So what we have been doing was that tells us we need to go over to our rolls. We need to open up a roll, which would leave us with 3 rolls. And in that one roll, we add those 10 shirts to our loose column. Now, instead of having 3 loose, since we added 10, we have 13 loose t-shirts to ship from. Then it becomes a subtraction. 13 minus 5 is 8. If I look at my rolls column, I know I need to ship out 6 rolls, but I only have 3 rolls in my factory now. So now I move over to the next column and I open up a box. Each box contains 100 t-shirts or 10 rolls. So if I open up a box, I now have 0 boxes, and in that one box there were 10 rolls. So I add 10 to my rolls column, and now instead of having 3 plus 10, I have 13. 13 minus 6 is 7, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So I have 78 t-shirts left. The T-chart strategy helps set students up for what we call stacking or the traditional algorithm. The reason we use the language of boxes, rolls, and loose is for them to have the understanding that when they cross out a number in the tens column, or as in this case, the rolls column right here, they understand that when I cross this off, I'm taking away a roll, which is actually 10 loose. This is just setting them up for place value to know that a 1 in that column, in our tens place, really means 10. Same with the box situation. When I cross off in my hundreds column or in my boxes column, I'm not just taking a 1. That is really a 100, or it's 10 in my tens column. So this right here just helps to set the students up for the standard algorithm, or as we know it, stacking. But this does it in a way that's organized to them and makes sense because of the context.